Tapos na yung tatlo, things. Your timers, stop na dyan. Accessories and engineer. Ang lady shoes of Fina Gino. Yes. Alright, guys, pwesto na. Kung saan kayo maglalaro. Pakinggan yung timer, no? Right. Let's give up for the non-wearable.
Gawa ng isa.
Waiting for the first table of the water. Nakapatayo na siya ng isa. The third table is done. The table is done. Let's proceed with the final table. Ready ka na dyan sa class. The second table is also done. We're just waiting for the first table of the table. Status of the first table, isa pa lang ang napatayo niya. Zero, two.
Hindi yan matayo-tayo.
And for the segregation naman ang all steel. We are ready to show around the minute. Alright, last one for the first table. Alright, let's go for the fourth table. So, segregation na lang ang kulay ng tips. Make sure na ilagay po yan sa baso. Running time, 1 minute and 20 seconds.
Ang hirap niya sa kanya.
1 minute and 30 seconds.
Dali!
So, FYI, nahulog pa, ay nahulog. FYI, yung last na nanalo natin last week, yung official time niya is 1 minute and 44 seconds.
Go, 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 go! Ay, babalik niya pa. Yan, yan, yan. Go!
Okay, 2 minutes and 40 seconds.
Ay, tagapulot.
2 minutes and 30 seconds.